What's up, guys? AK with DCC Train. Update on the conversion MTH locomotive. This is ES44AC. Gorgeous locomotive. MTH did great job. The construction and everything, very nice. Sorry about delay. I preparation for holidays kicked me out of schedule, but I'm back on track. So, and this is the tough one, especially with ditch lights. You need a because it's everything opposite to DCC. They probably doing it. If you using DCC ready, they make it opposite again. So common is different here. So I cut all paths, track them down, and finally I got them. So two functions here will go independent. If you have different roads like NS, they will do alternating, but BNSF is not. Still, I want them independent. So same thing here. The LED's color is great, really sunny white, but two number boards and headlight and rear light. This is 6-axle engine, so that's original MTH decoders providing extra power. Hard to believe to stop that engine even on a frog, unpowered frog. But anyway, there is space for power pack. LokSound version 5. You see the smaller module here, pretty much on final assembly. Original speakers. Should be no problem. All right, guys. Again, thanks for your patience. It will be 100% done properly. Happy New Year and have a good one.